Hi, my name is Tanner Garcia and I'm 17 years old. I ride a 2012 KX250 and I'm currently riding the 250 junior class. Right now I reside in Tucson, Arizona. Why do I ride? I ride because there's no other sport on the face of this earth that gives me the rush that motocross does. Motocross is just so fun, exciting, has jumps, high speed, and when I was younger my dad taught me, and it's been in my life ever since I was a little kid. Right now I'm currently riding the 250 junior class. Goals for moving to 250 intermediate are very soon. We plan on going to Thunder Valley for a Loretta Lynn area qualifier, and once I make it there we'll head to Freestone or Three Palms for the regional, and hopefully I can do good there. After all the Loretta Lynn qualifiers and I'm winning more, goals for moving up to intermediate would probably be then, so yeah. I'm gonna thank my dad first and foremost. I can't thank anyone but him, mainly because I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for him. He's the reason I'm as good as I am. He's my coach. He's gonna be my only coach. No one coaches as good as him, and for everything that he's done for me, it's amazing. Secondly, my family, my sisters. I had 3 sisters, older and 2 younger. My mom for helping with the financial and paying for stuff, and for the sweet graphics by Bill and Cynthia Delaney. They paid for those. Well, the company did the Life Finish Pro Tandem. It's like a wonder pill. It's awesome. If you would like to know more, contact me, Tanner Garcia. Let's see. I'm currently wearing Fly gear. I'm getting help through them through a friend of ours. Scott goggles, Garnet boots. That's pretty much it. I can't really think of anything else, so thank you.